can I extend life support and keep making dua in hope of recovery for a relative? The doctors have told me there is no chance of a recovery, but I am not prepared to give up just yet.
Obviously, the life support, you know, the concept of death, when exactly death happens, as well as when exactly life starts. So these are two ambiguous questions, ambiguous in terms of between science and any religion. Okay, so it will be the conflict between philosophy on one side, science on the other side, and religion, regardless, Judaism or any other, Christianity, Islam, Hinduism. So it will be the question which will never be agreed upon between any of them, three sides, as well as within each side there will be big conflicts. So no one can answer this question. Anyway, so this person who is in life support, is he still alive or not? So Islamically, we may not say all the time that he is still alive. Okay, most likely we will say that he is dead. Okay, obviously I can support my opinion, but a lot of so anyway, so in here, but even if we say that it is life, so I say it is a treatment. And is treatment compulsory in Islam? I say no. In Hanafi madhab it is recommended. By the way, in Maliki madhab, treatment, if it's Maliki or Hanbali, one of them two madhabs of Ahlul Sunnah, treatment is actually prohibited also. Okay, disliked. Okay, so therefore I say, based on Hanafi madhab, it is your choice. If you want to life support, if we consider it as a treatment or cure or whatever, you can carry on because it is recommended, or you can stop it because it's not compulsory either. Okay, so that is maybe the answer.